Understanding Domain and Range, a guide to functions in mathematics. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an important concept in mathematics and functions: domain and range. These terms might sound technical, but don't worry. We'll break them down into simple, easy-to-understand language. By the end of this video, you'll be comfortable with what domain and range are and why they are crucial in understanding functions. Before we jump into domain and range, let's understand what a function is. In mathematics, a function is like a machine. You feed it an input, it does some work, and then it gives you an output. The important thing to remember is that for each input, there is only one output. Now, let's talk about the domain. The domain of a function is the complete set of possible inputs. You can think of it as the allowed input values for the function. For example, if you have a function that takes in ages of people, the domain would be all non-negative numbers because you can't have a negative age. Next up is the range. The range is the set of all possible outputs of a function. These are the results you get after the function does its job on the inputs. Continuing with our age example, if the function describes something that someone can do at a certain age, the range might include activities like starting school or getting a driver's license. Visual aids are great for understanding domain and range. If you imagine a graph, the domain represents all the values along the x-axis that the function covers, and the range represents all the values along the y-axis that the function can output. Understanding the domain and range of a function helps you understand what the function does and the limits of what it can tell you. It's like knowing the boundaries within which the function operates. This is especially important in fields like science and engineering, where functions model real-world phenomena. And that's a wrap on domain and range. We hope this video has shed light on these foundational concepts in mathematics. Remember, the domain is all about possible inputs, and the range is all about possible outputs. Understanding these concepts is a big step forward in mastering functions. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!